Before I put the spinach in there, I took some grape tomatoes and I just cut them in half the long way. And with a little bit of, like I said, vegetable or olive oil. And that's for the color and a little bit of acidity. Y'all know you can take a whole dang garbage bag full of spinach and saute it, and this all you have left. Because this was a garbage bag, believe it or not. And that's all I got. But anyway, all I did was put a little dabadooey in there, and delicious. So I got my spinach down. Now I'm gonna get this buttery, delicious piece of Chilean sea bass. And I'm gonna put it right on top. Ooh, I hope Keith Creative is getting that juicy drip that's coming out of there. And the sauce we did. Butter, lemon, garlic, and capers. I'm just gonna drizzle just a little bit on like that. And that lemon and that garlic and that butter is gonna be good on that spinach too. A little bit of microgreens. And I'm gonna stack it right there